Hi, I'm Sarah Maxwell, and I'm going to show you how to use Livylash LAYER. Livylash LAYER is our keratin conditioning treatment. Your eyelashes are like any other hair follicle. They're made up of 90% keratin, which is a structural protein that strengthens the lash and protects the cells from damage and stress. When we introduce keratin, we're adding a nourishing, hydrating layer that mimics the natural polypeptide chains in your lashes, repairing any damage and promoting strength. So Brianna, we have two sides. We have a short side with shorter bristles, and we have the longer bristles on the other side. So let's start with the shorter bristles, okay? And I want you to take those shorter bristles and I want you to wiggle them through the root of the lash, working from the outer to the inner corner. Great. This way, with the short side of the wand, we're getting into the root and we're adding extra strength into the root of the lash. So we have tons of strength from the base of the lash to support the length that we've created. Okay. Great. Now I want you to take the wand and I want you to turn it perpendicular to your lower lash line. And again, I want you to swipe from the outer to the inner corner of the lashes on both sides with a small wiggle. Again, we're getting into the root of the lower lashes because they also need to build strength too. Perfect. And then your final step, I want you to flip it so you have the longer bristles, and I want you to take those bristles into the top lashes again, go all the way through the tips of the lashes to fan and separate. Great. Beautiful. Each product in the Daily Lash Ritual contains a 6-month supply. But if you follow the system properly, you should start seeing results in as little as 2 to 3 weeks. This is the most effective, safe lash growth system I've ever used, and I'm super excited for you guys to try it. If you follow the instructions and stick with it, your natural lashes will be completely transformed.